All right, for a second video today, I want to talk about something I just noticed inside of VS Code, and that is the inline terminal here. No, I don't want to update right now. Basically, I noticed a prompt in here. It's gone away because I used it. But when you are in the terminal, and let me zoom in a little bit here so you can see this. I'll collapse the side panel there. You can use the Command I shortcut to invoke Copilot. I didn't know this was here. It's probably been there for a while. I just noticed this for the first time. I like the workflow though, because this is very similar to what I set up at the command line. So let me show you how to use this. Let's say, for example, I want to list big files. I could hit return here. Copilot will give me a response. If I like it, then I can choose to insert, or I can further qualify it, make modifications to it. Basically, I can insert it now here, and then I can, of course, run that command. So I really like that workflow. And let me give you an example of actually using this. Let's say I've got a directory opened up with some video files in it. Copy this path to the clipboard. I'll change to it over here. List out the files. You can see there's 2 video files. Let's say I want to look at the resolution of these files. I don't remember what they were. Well, this is a great case to use something like Copilot, Command I here, use EXIF tool. I know I want to use EXIF tool to show me the resolution of MP4 and MKV files. So I don't always remember the flags to EXIF tool, but usually these things can look them up. All right, let's just insert. I don't know if that's actually correct or not, but let's try it. Okay, actually it does give me back the image size. And then let's say I want to modify that. I guess I could come back. Can I see the chat panel previously? No, I can't. EXIF tool, also show. Let's do this. Let me cancel out of that. Let me just copy the previous command, Command I, paste that in. I like to add something like a comment on the end and then say, also show me the frames per second. Let's see if it can modify that. All right, let's just go ahead and insert that and see what happens. Isn't going to hurt anything, obviously. And in that case, that does not work. All right, so I think that's enough of a demo for now. I just wanted to show this. And part of the reason I wanted to point this out is I like this workflow. I think it makes a lot of sense to basically incorporate searching for help about a command right into the command line. You shouldn't have to go out to Google. You shouldn't have to go out to ChatGPT. There's enough of an interface here, especially with this little dialogue that pops up, to be able to ask a question and get back a response, even chat about it, and never have to leave the terminal here. I think that is an excellent use case of taking advantage of LLMs. I think it's an area that it really shines. And I want you to tell me down below, what do you think about this? Leave me a note in the comments.